If your Microsoft Edge browser is slowing down, acting strange, or you simply want it to stay clean every time you close it, this quick tutorial is going to help. Today, I'm showing you how to clear cached images and files when you close Microsoft Edge so you can keep your browser refreshed without manually deleting anything each time. This is a really useful setting if you want to free up space, protect your privacy, and make sure old stored files do not keep building up in the background. And if this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once Edge is open, look toward the top right corner of the browser and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main menu where all of Edge's settings and tools are located. From here, scroll down and click on Settings. This is where you can manage privacy options, browsing behavior, appearance, downloads, and more. Now that you're inside the settings page, look at the left-hand menu and click Privacy, Search, Privacy Search and Services. This section controls a lot of the browser's privacy and data settings, so it's the exact place you need to be for this task. Once you're in this area, scroll down until you find the option called Clear Browsing Data on Close. This is the feature that lets Edge automatically remove selected browsing data every time you exit the browser. Click on Clear Browsing Data on a close to open the available options. You'll see different types of data that can be cleared automatically when Edge is closed. Find the option for cached images and files. This is the one that stores temporary website data, images, and files to help pages load faster while you browse. If you want Edge to clear those files every time you close it, simply toggle this option on. Once the toggle is enabled, Edge will automatically remove cached images and files when you close the browser. That means you do not have to remember to clear your cache manually, and your browser stays cleaner and more up to date. If you want, you can also review the other available options in this section and turn on anything else you want Edge to delete automatically on close. And that's it. You've now set Microsoft Edge to clear cached images and files when you close it. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a big difference for privacy, performance, and browser maintenance. If this tutorial was helpful, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy how-to guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.